Hi, I'm Shane Megley, and I'm here to talk to you about principles of design, and this design principle is mnemonic device. Now, a mnemonic device is simply a method of reorganizing information in a way that makes it easier to remember. And the best example, or one of the major types, is first letter, in which you take the first letter of words in some sort of piece of information and you use them to create a memorable phrase or acronym, such as Roy G. Biv for the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. However, there are also three different types that are less talked about, including rhyme, which is when you use a rhyme scheme to create a phrase that links words, such as the popular righty-tighty to remember that right tightens things, and then lefty-loosey for loosening things. Another example is keyword, which is when you take a word similar to or subset of a word, a phrase, and then link it to something familiar by bridging the image to an aid and recall. An example of this is Aflac's use of a duck to say their company name at the end of each commercial. It links the sound that a duck makes, which is a quack, to the actual name of the company to make it more memorable and to stick out more than just someone saying Aflac. And the final example of a type of mnemonic device is feature name, which is when a word that is related to one or more features of something is linked to something similar, bridging image to aid and recall. An example of this would be the Volkswagen Beetle, in which its signature roundish shape can be linked back to the biological trait of the insect that they are naming their car after. And that has been Mnemonic Device.